In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix controller drift on a PS4 so that you can fix your PS4 analog stick drift easy. Now, stick drift does happen when analog sticks move on its own or doesn't return to the center properly, and the first fix is to pull gently on the analog stick and then push it all the way to one side, and you're going to see my screen kind of tweak out a little bit. Once you go ahead and do that, blow into the gap around the stick and then keep rotating the stick around the edges slowly. And I recommend doing this clockwise and then doing it counterclockwise, each for about 30 seconds while you blow into each side to clear out any dust or debris or dirt stuck inside. The second fix is similar. You can go ahead and then pretty much do the exact same thing, but press down on those sticks first. Don't press too hard because you don't want to damage the controller, but then you want to go through and do the exact same thing. For the last method, press and hold both analog sticks down and hold them for about 30 seconds. After that, rotate them clockwise 5 times and then counterclockwise 5 times. And after you go ahead and do that, press them both down again, hold them for another 30 seconds. And after that, test that controller again, and you're going to immediately notice that difference. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.